Hey everybody, Ray here at Ray Chevy, and I just wanted to touch on our certified pre-owned program with General Motors. A lot of people wonder, what does a certified pre-owned vehicle mean to them? Well, what that means to you is it comes with a warranty, and that warranty with General Motors is a 1-year, 12,000 bumper to bumper. That's on top of your 3-year 36. In addition to that, you'll also get some better financing rates because it's a certified vehicle and it's got some warranty behind it. Beyond that, at our dealership, we don't believe in charging for this certification process. It is a rigorous certification process. You go through over 120-point vehicle inspection, and it's all looked at by certified GM technicians. So there's a lot of value in buying a certified pre-owned vehicle. So please come in and see us in Fox Lake. It's all part of our raised price promise. We do not charge for this certification process, and we carry a ton of them here at our dealership. Come in and see us in Fox Lake.